started a little late again, but I ain't missed nothing because I can't find my tripod. But that ain't all the coats, it's just a tad bit on there. Because I ain't got none over there and over here yet. So, about to try to set y'all up somewhere and get going. But yeah, I'll fade back to y'all. Alright, that's the first coat. That's the third coat. Ain't even worrying about down there no more. That look pretty good down there. And go on glossy, then matte. I know a lot of y'all probably gonna be like, why you didn't go gloss paint? I just want to do something different, and then I like how that matte make it look not too shiny, cause the motor already shiny enough. But yeah. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. I like how it came out. Look better in person. Matte look a little different on camera. Yeah, it's drying right now. But yeah. I'll fade back. Okay. Put my stuff back on. Matte black on there. Didn't give it that flashy of a look, but that was kind of what I was going for. Alright, this is gonna be a quick short video, y'all. The next long video will be when y'all can see that putting the motor in. But yeah, that's all for part 2. We out of here, y'all.